everyone, I'm here in Manama, Bahrain. It is 104 degrees out and we're heading over to the Bahrain International Kart Circuit to ride some go-karts. I used an Uber to get from downtown Manama to the Bahrain International Kart Circuit. It took around 35 minutes and cost $22 US. All right, we're here at the track. They don't open for a few minutes, but we're gonna get inside and get ready to go. The first thing you need to do is register in their system and sign a disclaimer form. Then it's off to the changing rooms to get ready for your experience. Helmets, racing suits, and gloves are all provided for you. Make sure you're wearing closed-toe shoes, or there'll be no driving for you. Young kids beat me, but I think I got a little more weight holding me down than them. That might help me around the corners. Definitely not on the straightaways. I had a lot of fun here at the Bahrain International Kart Circuit. I hope you enjoyed watching. Stay tuned to see where I go next.